Email verification failed on Binance US Fix. If you're signing up for Binance US and your email verification isn't going through, you're not alone. This issue is common, but it's usually easy to fix with the right steps. Start by carefully checking the email address you entered. Even a tiny typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from arriving. Accuracy is crucial. Next, check all folders in your inbox, including spam, junk, and promotions. Many automated emails from Binance US get filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you find it, click the verification link quickly because these links often expire after a short time. If you haven't received the email, request a new verification link directly from the Binance US website or app. Resending the link resolves the problem for most users. Sometimes the issue is related to your browser or device. Clearing your browser cache, switching to a different browser, or using the Binance US mobile app can help ensure the email is delivered correctly. Email providers occasionally block automated messages. If this happens, consider signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are generally more reliable for receiving verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Binance US support. Explain that your email verification fails despite checking all folders and resending the link. Support can manually verify your account, so you can start trading immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the verification link, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps will usually resolve email verification issues quickly, allowing you to start trading on Binance US without delay.